Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word healthful. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Eating a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins is essential for maintaining a healthful lifestyle. Healthful means promoting good health and well-being, often associated with nutritious foods, physical activity, and overall wellness practices. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.